If you're looking for a perfect place for a family day out, look no further than Paloma Park in Benalmadena. This picturesque oasis, located just a stone's throw from the beach, is one of Europe's largest parks, spanning over 200,000 square meters of green space. With 5 entrances to the park, you can explore its many green areas, walking paths, and large lake filled with birds such as ducks, swans, and turtles. The park is a haven for animal lovers, housing a variety of creatures including goats, rabbits, parrots, pigeons, dogs, chickens, and more. For children, there are play areas and a mini zoo, making it an ideal destination for a family day out. And for adults, Paloma Park is the perfect place to relax, with concerts, story readings, and outdoor screenings held throughout the year. The flora and fauna of the park are truly breathtaking, with a wide variety of deciduous and evergreen trees, cacti, and succulents. And with plenty of cafes and restaurants nearby, you can easily spend a whole day exploring this natural paradise. Getting to Paloma Park is easy, with plenty of parking available if you're driving. Alternatively, you can take public transport via the Renfe train or several bus lines. The park's opening hours vary by season, so be sure to check ahead before planning your visit. Whether you're a nature lover, animal enthusiast, or just looking for a relaxing day out with the family, Paloma Park in Benalmadena is a must-visit destination. Thank you so much for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with future content. You don't want to miss our next adventure. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thanks again for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you on the next one.